Hello guys, welcome back to Peaktime Learners. In this video, I'm gonna share about a 3 days online workshop on C++ programming conducted by me in collaboration with broconncet. Whether you are from CS background or non-CS background or even a complete beginner, this workshop is just made for you. And you might be thinking why we have chosen C++. Let me tell you something. C++ is not just another programming language. It is a foundation language for many other technologies including game development, operating system, compilers and even real-time applications. So if you know C++, learning other languages become much easier, and C++ will teach you logic building, memory management and performance optimization, and all must have skills in the tech world. And the workshop will be of 3 days and it will be on July 24th to July 26th, and the time is from 6:30 p.m. to 8:30 p.m. and it is completely online mode, and the fees is just $399, and at the end of the course you will receive a course completion certificate too. Okay, now let me break down the learning path for you. Actually, I have divided the entire C++ concepts into 3 modules according to the days. So we will be learning each module in each day of the workshop. In day 1, we will be starting from the scratch, which is C++ fundamentals. It includes basic syntax, variables, constants, input, output, operators and loops. And there will be some mini programs to practice those concepts you learned that day. In the second day, we will be slightly moving to the advanced concepts like arrays, strings and functions. It includes 1D and 2D arrays, string manipulation using built-in functions, functions with parameters and recursion. And also you will be getting some practice questions. You can solve it using those concepts you have learned in day 2 and plus day 1. And in the day 3, we will be completely moving on to the core modern C++, that is OOPS STL. It includes classes, objects, inheritance and polymorphism, and STL includes vectors, sets, maps, iterators and file handling. And finally, we'll be giving you a mini project, and you will be able to complete this mini project using all the concepts you have learned from day 1 to day 3. So that's all about the learning path of this course. So the courses will be conducted from July 24th to 26th, 2 hours each from 6:30 p.m. to 8:30 p.m. And first day you will be learning about the C++ fundamentals, second day array, strings and functions, and third day OOPS STL and with a mini project. So this is not just a theory class, it is a fully hands-on workshop where you will code with us, ask doubts and build real projects. And you will be guided by me from Peaktime Learners along with the strong backend support of broconncet. With this workshop, you will be getting 6 hours of live training. You can access to study materials and also use the codes. We will provide you a certificate of completion at the end, and also there will be unlimited doubt support during the sessions. And all of this is available for just 399 rupees. Totally worth it for beginners and learners who want to strengthen their foundation. Seats are also filling fast and we are keeping it limited to maintain the interaction. So don't delay. If you are interested, use the link given in the description. Fill out all the mandatory fields and pay the course fee using the UPI ID given or the GPay number given in that form, and upload the screenshot of the payment, and also join our WhatsApp group. WhatsApp group link is also provided in the description. And please note, only those students who have paid the course fee will be able to get access to our live class, also the study materials and code. Share this with your friends too, and let's learn together at Peaktime Learners and broconncet. Thank you.